This video is made for entertainment purpose only. It's not meant to hurt anyone's sentiments. No copyright infringement and no commercial benefits intended. You're advised to refer to my previous informative videos too. Kindly do your own research before implementing any of my advice.
I'm Brand VS, and it's too hot to shoot a video outside.
I said that I would come. She said that she would wait 1,000 miles and oh so far away. I hope that I was right. She knew that she was wrong, and the door was flung wide open from the anger of the storm. And these eyes that stay wide open in a dream too hard to find when you're away. I walked into the room. There wasn't much to say. If a year gone by, you'd think it's yesterday. And I don't even care what you organize, 'cause I played this game so long, and I still can't win the prize. And these eyes that stay wide open, and a dream too hard to find when you're away.
आप YouTube, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। स्वागत है आप सभी का हमारे YouTube की नई वीडियो में। आई होप यू लाइक द इंट्रो। जैसा कि आपने नोटिस किया होगा, दिस वीडियो इज गोना बी लिटिल बिट डिफरेंट एज कम्पेयर टू द प्रीवियस वीडियो। दिस इज नॉट गोना बी होल लॉट अबाउट साइंस because the thing is I've decided to take things down a notch a bit. These science-based videos, they take up a lot of time and research, so I have to be really careful before making any statement. So this is just going to be a regular video. I'm going to be posting a little bit of update, what's going on, what's happening. Hopefully you will like it, and maybe at the end of the video I'm going to be guiding you through a workout. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. तो ये वो जगह है जहाँ पे मैं अपनी सारी एडिटिंग करता हूँ. This is the place where I work, and we have a little bit of upgrade right over here. For editing, I'm not using the MacBook Pro as I'm not a very big Apple fan. Nothing against Apple, but I'm not comfortable with the whole layout. I prefer to work on Windows. So basically, I'm using the Zephyrus G14 and I'm connecting it to the monitor. Initially, I was planning to go for the old desktop setup, but for some reason, maybe because of the crypto market, the GPU prices are skyrocketing. So whatever used to cost like $300 back in the day is now costing like $900. However, this is a mini beast. I'm getting whatever I wanted out of the desktop in this small package. This one is coming with its own GPU unit, which is RTX 3060, and basically this can handle any game just like that. I don't use it for gaming because for gaming I use PS5. However, for Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, this can render any effect just like that, and even the exporting doesn't take much time. So 2 घंटे हो चुके हैं and I'm about to head to the gym right now. If you're following me on Instagram, you might be already knowing that I'm following this upper lower split nowadays by Jeff Nippert. So I'm going to be hitting the lower body today, and I'm going to be seeing you right at the gym.
All week long has been talking about how he should be.
Alright guys, welcome back to another workout walkthrough video. Now before starting this workout, like I always do, I did some of my mobility drills followed by Dr. Stuart McGill's Big 3. Basically it just helps me to engage my core better. I started this workout with sumo deadlifts, and like you can see with the position of my bed, it's not at low back, it's above my belly button. That just helps me to engage my core better and helps me with the Valsalva maneuver. I did 3 sets of 5 to 8 repetitions for this one. Following this one, I did some front squats, and as you can see with the position of my feet, it's planted wider than shoulder width apart. Basically, anatomically, it puts me at an advantage and helps me to go deeper. You can check out my squat science video for more details on this one. And basically, I did 3 sets of 12 repetitions on this one. Following this one, I did some banded leg press, and I think the reason why Jeff likes to do it with a band is basically he wants to prevent the knee from going out, so you can get a better mind and muscle connection with your abductors. The reason why I like Jeff's workout is because he likes to train you with all the rep ranges, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and you need to do that. You need to train all your muscle fibers, your fast twitch, slow twitch, and your intermediate muscle fibers. After that, I did some single leg extension, and as you can see, I'm training this movement unilaterally. It's always a good idea to train your body parts unilaterally. I start with the weaker side and then I shift to the stronger side. After that, I jump right into the leg curl machine, and as you can see at the beginning of the movement, I'm basically pointing my toe, basically plantar flexing my ankle. That just helps me to get a better mind and muscle connection with my hamstrings. And when I'm not able to squeeze out any more repetitions, I switch to dorsiflexing my ankle so I can get some more reps in the set. And basically my calf muscle gets involved, but I'm able to squeeze out some more repetitions. After that, I did some seated calf raise, and I don't like to load this movement too much. Basically, I'm concentrating on the range of motion. I like to hold it down there at the dorsiflexion and hold it up there for some time with the plantar flexion, just getting that mind and muscle connection. So that's about it. Workout is finished. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. तो जी वर्कआउट तो हो गया कंप्लीट, एंड नाउ आई एम हैविंग माय पोस्ट वर्कआउट मील. आपने नोटिस किया होगा माय बॉडी फैट परसेंटेज इज कंपैरेटिवली लिटिल बिट हाई एट दिस टाइम. इट माइट बी समवेयर अराउंड 16 to 19%, and initially I was planning to do a mini cut during this 4 month, but then I decided to delay it because I want to grow. And I realized this body fat percentage of somewhere around 15 to 20% works best for me. Yes, it's getting a little bit uncomfortable for me to see myself in the mirror with the abs fading away, but it's a small sacrifice I'm willing to make for the bigger picture. But still, like, even though the abs might be fading away, I'm still quite consistent with my cardio, and I'm still roughly trying to track my calories here and there. So yeah. That was about it. That's the whole video for today. If you enjoy my work, don't forget to hit the like button, do subscribe. Cardio science video is going to continue. I'm going to be working on that after this one. And until next time, peace. Package. This one is coming with its own GPU unit. This one is coming with its own GPU. This one is coming with its own GPU unit. This one is coming with its own GPU unit.